Hi friends, I am Rajendra Kumar from RK and Friends channel. I think after a few days I am meeting again. I think you might have seen the KYC and AML guidelines. One video I have given. Then priority sector. Most of the people you think that you know priority sector guidelines, but in examination you will be confused. Once again, you please read the video. And now today we are coming with RTA Act. Friends, this RTA Act also very important for the bankers, for promotion test. And it is also important for every citizen. And most of my friends, unionites, or association friends, or union friends also, they should know about the RTA Act. Please, this act, and this is, I think this is a weapon in the people. RTA Act is the excellent weapon, but we are not using it. The act is made for the transparency of the government on all the organizations. But very few people are utilizing this act. Let us know about the act, RTA Act. This act is made in 2005. It came into effect from October 12, 2005. If you got a question in the bank examination, promotion examination, when it has come to effect, 12th October 2005, October 12th 2005, you should remember about it, this act. Then, my dear friends, under this act, who can apply? Anyone can apply? Or there are some restrictions? Just let us see it. Only Indians can apply. Only Indians can apply under the RTA Act to know some facts. Okay? Only Indians. If you got any question, Indians, NRIs, organizations like that, any individuals and Indians, okay, can file an RTA application. What is the fee? What is the fee? How much fee? It is very, very simple. Only 10 rupees. Then again you will have the doubt how to pay the fee. You can take a demand draft, you can take a pay order, you can take a Indian postal order, or if you file complaint online, definitely through any mode of payment, credit card, debit card, and UPI payment, any mode of payment you can pay. Online is very, very simple procedure. Go into the rta.government.in. I think that is the organization. You can just go ahead, and this filing application is very, very important. And whether the applicant has to reveal his ID or not. You may get a question in a promotion test. Whether the following ID is required: Aadhaar card, PAN card, passport, or none. You should put the none. The identity of the RTA applicant need not be revealed. This is option. If he wants to write his name and other things, okay, can write. But otherwise, it's not required. But online, it's asking, of course. That is also is not a mandatory. Some of the these things are not mandatory. But they have to send this reply to you. You can just give your email ID. That is other address and other things are not mandatory. Okay, my dear friends? ID is not mandatory. Then, I am a government official. I am a banker. How can I appeal against my bank? You can appeal, my dear friends. You can write an RTA application against your bank, against your organization, against your government. Definitely nothing wrong in it, getting information. Within how many days the organization has to give reply to you? The organization should give reply to you within 30 days of receiving your application. If it is forward to some other department, because you might have sent to some other department, and again they will seek information from other department, it will be extended for another 5 days. That means 35 days. 35 days from the receipt of your application. That RTA, this is, I think, public information officer. He has to give information to you. That is the time limit 30 days, or if it is forwarded to other department, 35 days. Could you remember it? What type of information you can ask? You can ask anything. Anything means what is the circular? What is the your guidelines? What like that? Who is these things? Who has accept? Who are the officer who dealt these things? Like that. Any information about anything, any information. But you cannot ask why you have not done. I like that questions. When it is not done, like there's some questions you cannot ask the authority, public authority. You cannot ask the questions. You can only seek the information, whatever information they are having. You can seek the information. If it is beyond some pages, each page 2 rupees you have to pay. In addition to that 10 rupees, each page 2 rupees. Otherwise, if you want information through pen drive, the cost of that pen drive and other things you have to pay. Otherwise, you can ask any information what is available with them. We told you already, this act is made for the transparency. Suppose tenders are made. How many people made this tender? What is the amount? Certain amount. Somebody is 10 lakhs, somebody is 9 lakhs, somebody 8 lakhs. The 3 tenders we should know about it. How many tenders? But the least person here, the tender is awarded or not, we should know about it. That is transparency. Like that, anything is promotion policy, reservation policy, whatever it may be. You can ask the policy and system. Whatever the information the concerned organization is having, they are supposed to submit to you. Some exceptions are there. If you ask some secrecy, suppose bank, Rajendra Kumar's bank details, they will not give you. That is not possible. Some individual information which are not in public interest. Like that, security is government, this is defense, army, these are the country security is involved there. There you cannot ask the information. Only thing is some interest where you feel that the transparency is not there, where you can question it, that information you can seek it. Your right is not required. You can ask any question. That person cannot, what for you are asking this information? The organization cannot ask, what for you know this information? Why you are asking it? That organization cannot ask you this one. Only thing is, you have to ask the information which is available with the organization. How many applications you can make in a year to the organization? A Supreme Court has given judgment, only 3 RT applications. If you go on continually harassing them, that is not correct. That is the reason. Only 3 applications can be made in a year. That is also you should remember. RTI, if somebody says that question comes, how many applications you can make? That you have to remember 3 applications, you can make it. Actually, RTI, this one application, whether your right is a fundamental right, as it is a fundamental right. It was Indian Constitution is amended. Article 19(1) is amended, and right to information replaced by freedom of information. Freedom of information is our right. That's Act 2002. That has been replaced with right to information. Is it a fundamental right? You should remember about it. I told you disclosure of personal information is not possible. That country security aspects cannot be revealed. All other information can be given. If they are not supposed to give information within 30 or 35, if it is transferred to other department, 35, it's not given, then you can go for appeal. The next authority can appeal for it. I sought information. The concerned department has not given information. You can go for appeal. And ultimately, they can also, for not giving information, they may have to pay penalty per day 250 rupees. Per day 250 rupees, that maximum is 25,000. If they are not giving the information sought by you within the prescribed time, the concerned organization has to pay penalty 250 rupees per day, maximum 25,000. Okay, my dear friends. I told you who has to give the reply under RTA. Public Information Officer, PIO, Public Information Officer, PIO. What does they will ask? PIO means that my question may come. Public Information Officer. This is under RTA. It is a small video. It is helpful for your promotion. It is helpful for your life. It is helpful for your improving your knowledge. This is RTA is very, very important, my dear friends. One more thing I would like to tell. On 22nd is your exam for Unionites. 22nd January is your exam date. Today is 8th. Hardly 15 days, not even 15 days, 2 weeks. You have to, this is only just for fun sake, say you can see the video and you may get 1 or 2 marks. But you have to read hard, you have to work hard. If you are really interested about promotion, forget about festival, forget about everything. And please read. This is very information. While reading also, you should remember it. That several things, when we are attempting the questions, we feel everything is known to us. Sim twist. Which has given this, which has made this, RBI, Government of India like this. They will ask. Everything is known to us. If you feel that everything is known to us, but the answers are similar, that will be the problem for your examination. Kindly take care of it. I wish you all the best. Tomorrow again, we'll come with another video. I think somebody, might have taken rest after the quarterly closing. Definitely you might have taken rest on Saturday and Sunday. At least start now onwards. Please be serious about it. All the best, my dear friends. God bless you.